Sure, Faith. I hope you're grand, Faith. So today I've got because I've got something to ask. And what I'm going to ask now, it needed someone's view. Yeah, well. So, what I wanted to ask, Uguti, how important it is as a young African man or a black man who's growing up in Africa to know your background, to know your roots, to know your culture, to know the people who were before you, the role that they have played. Like, how does it help you as an African man? How important it is to know that.
As an African man?
Yeah, as an African man or a black man, if I can say.
Actually, on this one, I think I'm going to have a different view from a lot of people, more especially when it comes to this topic.
Okay.
Okay, let me just speak for myself.
Okay, no, it's fine.
To me, it doesn't help me with anything. I have to be honest. Because to me, when it comes to being a black person or being your roots, I think it also depends where you come from or where you were born. Because even if maybe I can be black, I can be white. If I am born in a different place or in a different environment, I'm going to adapt from that environment. If those people there, maybe they are Rastamans or whatever, I'm going to adapt to that because that's where I grew up. So even if maybe you were not originally from there, maybe have their DNA, everything, that's anywhere that you grew up from or anywhere that you relocate to, you adapt to that place. So for me, this thing of roots and everything, it doesn't do anything for me.
I think you are missing my point.
Okay, what's your point? Okay.
So my question, it applies to any situation. You don't have to come from a cultural family or a cultural background. Yeah, well. So what I mean is that where like knowing you understand? Okay. You may come from a family that doesn't believe in culture. You understand? But when, as a young person, how does that thing helps you? Yeah, one. For an example, if maybe you are coming from your lineage, is from a royal background. You understand? Let me say right now, as like do you know Gucci by reminding yourself no man, I'm coming from this lineage. It gives you courage to carry on even if impilo. You understand?
Okay.
So what I wanted to know, Gucci, do you see any importance? I'm coming from here and I want to go. You understand?
Okay.
There is this thing like for example you understand? Unokusuka ekhaya unamaphupho ufuna ukwafeza mfethu. Yabo kunezinto ufuna ukuziachieve. I think yona nto sonke ethi ayifane kuthina sonke sifikela igoli ngezimo ezingafani but what makes it common ukuthi sonke sifuna ukufeza something.
Okay.
Sometimes kuyenzeka ufike izinto zakho zenzakale the way wena ufuna ngakhona, but sometimes kuyenzeka futhi izinto zingahambi the way wena ucabanga ukuthi zingahamba ngakhona. You understand? So sinalento yokuthi mfethu mfethu athi ngiye ekhaya kancane ngiyolanda amandla. Not ukuthi ubuyele ekhaya uyolanda amandla because uyofuna amandla, but you are going back to your drawing board. Yabo, you are going back to remind yourself ukuthi kahle kahle what was the main reason for me ukusuka ekhaya ngiye lapha. Yabo, you are going back just to remind yourself ukuthi you are not a failure. Yabo. Yabo. So iyona question yami ukuthi ngabe kubaleke kangakanani ukwazi lokho? Ngabe iyiphi role okuyidlalayo eimpilweni zethu singabantu?
Okay, I think it's please guys, just forgive me, I'm going to use English because I need Zulsami. Okay, I think that thing works differently when it comes to people, right? To me, okay. That's how I see it.
No,
I think it works differently when it comes to people because we believe in different stuff. There are some people who believe like even if maybe things are not going okay at the moment, maybe you're in Joburg, as you say, you just go home just to recharge and everything, right? There are some people who believe that when they go home, things are going to be worse. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes it also depends on what you believe in or on what you believe works for you. Some of us, when we go home, I know it's gonna, as you said, you do recharge, you know, you see family, you see everything, you come back with that strength and power of, you know what, now I can do it. You understand? So, but there are some people who don't even want to go back home. When things are getting where they say, you know what, when I go home, I think mine gonna be worse than it is already. So I think it also works depending on what you believe in. That's my take on this.
No, I understand your page.
Yeah.
But as for me,
Okay.
my take is it is important to know yourself.
Okay.
To know
Unless
your-
if maybe I'm missing
to-
the whole point as you say.
No,
but
no, no,
yeah.
no, no, no. As I've said, Uguchi, I wanted someone
Okay.
view
Okay.
of this, because we may not see things similar.
You know what? The best
Yeah,
thing is fine. Guys, just tell us what you think on the comments. I think that's the best thing. Just tell us what you think. Give us your view on this one. I believe, even if maybe I missed the point, maybe I believe it's gonna be, it just
Guys,
enlightens me.
please tell us.
Yes,
Ngabe
just tell us what you think.
ngabe kubalekile ukwazi imvelaphi yakho as
Okay,
umuntu
exactly.
omnyama,
Yeah.
or ayinto engasizi nje ngalutho, uyabo.
Okay.
But if wena kukusebenzela ngabe kukusiza ngani, you understand? If futhi ubona ukuthi kubalekile ngabe kubaleke ngani, if ubona ukuthi futhi akubalekanga, please let us know ukuthi why you think ukuthi akubalekile.
All right. Then I'm gonna wait for them then.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Sharp.
All right.